Hey guys, Adam here. I'm going to show you guys today how I style my hair using two O'Dowd's products, the texture spray and the dry wax. I'm going to go for a more loose, relaxed style since my hair is about 5-6 weeks grown out. It's currently damp right now, so I'm just going to towel dry it. Get quite a bit of that moisture out because we're going to add some. So the reason we're adding the texture spray today is to create some volume. My hair is quite heavy right now, so I'm going to use quite a bit of it. O'Dowd's, it comes in an 8-ounce bottle, so it'll last a long time. So I'm going to use about 10 sprays and put it into my hair. So I'm just going to mix in the spray. This will give it sort of like that loose look, that natural look. And now I'm just going to blow dry it into place. Okay, so I just finished blow drying my hair. As you can see, I sort of have that nice beachy look, some wave to it, some kink in my hair. It's very light though, so obviously it's not going to stay like this. So the reason I'm choosing dry wax, it's a very unique product. I've used hundreds of products from clays, pomades, matte pastes, creams, and with dry wax you get that sort of natural texture, which is really cool with this product. I absolutely love the scent. I think the hold is great. It's like a nice medium to firm hold with this product. It's very creamy when you take it out of the jar, very easy to apply, and I just use very little at a time. So this is a brand new jar. I finished my last one. I'm going to take a small scoop, mix it into my hands quite thoroughly, really get it in. And then I'm going to start in the back, and we're going to scrunch up my hair. Start in the back and the sides, right? To set that foundation for the front for the second scoop. I'm going to take one more small scoop, really mix it in. Now what's great with this product too is if you want something that's set up, put together, like a comb over or a contour or even like an undercut, like side swept look that's more structured. This is also a great product for that. And I'll use that too, but obviously I'll use more scoops and style my hair differently, especially when pre-styling. As you can see, it's creating just a nice texture that has a nice natural sheen to it, so it's not like too matte or overly dry like a lot of clay products. And it's got like a nice natural flow to it. I can mess with it throughout the day, but it's going to keep that volume, it's going to keep that structure, while also looking unstructured at the same time. So, I don't know if you guys can see so well, there's great texture, and that's brought to you by dry wax and the texture spray. So it would mean a lot for me if you guys would like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'd really like to participate and work with O'Dowd's in creating something unique for the people out there. Again, O'Dowd's texture spray, dry wax, you use about 10 sprays of the texture spray, blow dry it, let the natural waves come out. Then you'll use the dry wax to create that texture, that volume, and that structure to the unstructured look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks guys, appreciate it.